警察庁刑事局です。捜査を
From the National Police Agency, I just would like to respond to the monitoring issue of the investigation. The introduction of the videotaping and the monitoring of all the process of investigation, we think we have to be very cautious. And of course, it is very important to have the very accurate investigation for the process. And in the other department, other than our investigation, we have introduced the system of recording of the process in the document, and some of the other new initiative has been introduced. From the Immigration Bureau, I have two things to talk. First one, if there is any problem with domestic violence for the spouse of Japanese, in our Immigration Bureau, we have the act to prevent the spousal violence and the change of the status of residence in Japan, or the person who is in violation of the immigration law, even those two people, we would like to give a legitimate treatment and of the human right of those people too. And also the case of the treatment of the refugees. In the refugee recognition procedure, we try to base upon the Convention of the Protection of the Right of the Refugees, and we'd like to follow the principle of non-refoulement, so that we would like to positively protect the human right of those refugees. And also we introduced a system of counselors of refugee recognitions already, and those counselors for refugee status is composed of the experts of the academia and also NGO members. So those are the experts from the very wide field of the society, so that I think a neutrality and impartiality of the recognizing the refugee status is enhanced by this system.
Education, culture, and science and technology to ask the question about physical punishment.
Well, concerning the corporal punishment in schools, I would like to respond to the question. The corporal punishment by school teachers and school principals are totally prohibited by the school education law. So in any situation, teachers are not permitted to give corporal punishment to the students. And there's such a cases of corporal punishment actually done by the school teachers, they will be reprimanded through the proper procedures. And also for the discipline of the students, we promote more nonviolence measures based on the mutual trustworthy relationship between the students and teachers and educators. And that is what we are so much concerned about, the corporal punishment in Japan.
And so I have to conclude my remarks. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to everyone for your participation and constructive dialogue in open and frank manner. We appreciate the Troika, France, Indonesia, and Djibouti for their contribution, as well as those countries which gave us the constructive and valuable assessments, questions, and comments. This discussion has been a valuable opportunity for us to review our own human rights situation from an international point of view. The success of this newly established UPR mechanism will depend on the constructive engagement of all countries in all human rights areas. Although the promotion and protection of human rights is a long and continuous process for each country, we hope the UPR will be an effective instrument to promote the process. Japan is fully committed to the improvement of human rights situation in our country as well as the international community, and will continue to extend its maximum effort for that purpose. Thank you very much.
Thank you.